You want to know what I'm still learning? It has a lot to do with birds, crows specifically. When you teach a crow, because they're really, really smart, and they remember faces, and they remember emotional states, and people, and what some have done in the past is taught them to hate a specific person, their face, and sort of instilled that hatred in them. And it's really weird that we can do that even, and that no one's questioning whether we should make a bird hate a person. They're capable of feelings, and the first thing that we do is make them attack someone we don't like. I mean, crazy, right? But it makes me think about what I've been led to feel and how I've acted as a result, and whether the feelings are my own or not, because I know that sometimes they're just sort of like echoes. They just sort of stuck from something that someone said once, and it may not even be based on an accurate perception of that person, even at the time that the person telling me remembers that person, forgetting how much that person may have changed in the interim. So when you think about, the way that you perceive someone in your life, the kind of shadow that they cast, or the kind of light that they hold for you, just remember that, you may not even have an accurate perception, and if it's guiding the way that you act, especially towards yourself, based on how you think that person might feel about you, just think about the crows. I got nothing else.